Jiangsu A.I.O. Constructions Company Limited started out at Wuxi, Jiangsu of China in 1998. We are a professional company, which manufactures the constructions products in the worldwide. Our mainly products include building materials, wood flooring, wood engineered flooring, mosaic parquet, flooring accessories, wall panels, outdoor decking and wood stair nose, fiberglass products, coated fiberglass for exterior plasterboard sheathing, fiberglass tissue, etc. We have 5 plants most near Shanghai. Yearly output is about 360,000 sq meter. We have QC team doing quality controlling before container loading. Sales across the worldwide like USA, France, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, UAE, England, Spain, India, Greece, Russia and Germany, Iran. Africa has won the market recognition with a strong customer as well. We have QC team doing quality controlling before container loading.